Morning everyone, welcome back. Remember this pumpkin? Look how big it is now. Getting bigger and bigger every day. It was all the way up here and then it's getting heavier, so it's going down and it's looking good. Some baby ones there all around the place. Some falling off but it's still producing. Like this one changing color, so this one definitely is going. That one going as well. And quite a few of them gone already, falling off, so the baby one, as you can see, there's a different pumpkin. This one is a round one, and that one is just like a pear shape, the other one down there. So this is a round one and the other is a pear shape, so we got two different pumpkin. I heard that if you plant them green, the seeds green, you get different varieties. And if you wrap the seeds in newspaper, you get different variety as well. So I wrap these one in newspaper, so I don't know if that's what changed it, but it's good anyway. Still producing nice fresh pumpkin. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.